Okay, so our next video will focus on conditional statement. Okay, so I will assume that you already know what are the data types and variables and operators. These are our topics. Yesterday or in the last video, we tackle about this one. Data types and variables, operators in C sharp. But the operators is always used in programming languages. So I assume that you already know what are these operators. Now we will focus on this conditional statement. So this conditional statement is very important in programming language because all projects or all programming have if statement. This is how to make conditions in a program. So I assume also that you know already if statements, what are the syntax, or how it will be how it will be used in theory. But in programming, I will help you how to apply this if statement into programming. Okay. So again, we'll open our compiler. If you are using Visual Studio 2015, we are using here console application. But if you are using Turbo C, you can use that one. It's almost the same because Turbo C, C++, or Java is almost the same syntax. There's no more differences. Okay. So now we will create a program that determine if your grade is pass or fail. Okay. Now we will declare here a variable. We will declare here int passing grade, passing grade, so lagyan natin ng passing grade is equal to 75. This is fixed. We will use fixed numbers. Passing is always 75. Okay, 75. If you got 75 grade, so you will be pass. Then this will be your grade. This will be changeable. You can put 90 or 80. So this is changeable. Now we are going to use the if statement. So if statement is like this. If, then inside that one is conditional, then put curly braces. This is what we call curly braces. Just always put this one. I recommend to put this one because this is needed. If you did not put that one, if you have more lines inside this one, you need to put the curly braces or else you have an error. Okay. So we will put here passing grade as condition. Passing grade, okay, is we will put here this one. Grade is greater than. We will use greater than, or we will use less than, or it's depend on your operators that you want to know. But make sure this one is the true statement. In the if statement, this is the true statement. Okay. For example, passing grade. If your grade is greater than to 75, true or false? True. If it is true, okay, if it is true, the program will display this one. Your grade is pass. Okay. This one is right line, not red line, right line. Okay. Grade is greater than to passing grade. Passing grade is 75, always 75. We will run the program. You are pass. Your grade is pass. What if your grade is 75? What will be the output? The output will be false statement. So this will not be executed because this one inside the if statement is the true statement. If this condition is true, this will be executed, or else there will be no output. So what is the output? The output is empty. You know why? Your grade is 75 and your condition operator is greater than. So 75 is greater than to 75. It's false because it's equal, right? So that's why the program did not execute this one. So if you want to execute this one, just put equal. Yeah. As you can see, this one is equal. This one is equal. No, it's different. This one is what we call assignment operator. Okay, assignment operator. Whatever is the data is here, you will put into the variable of passing grade. Okay. This one 75 will hold by grade variable. But this one double equal is the operator equal operator in the program. So grade 75 is equal to 75 passing grade. Yes or no? Yes. So very simple. We will say like this. If your grade is 75 or greater than 75, you will be pass. But if your grade is below 75, you will be fail. Okay, so how to do that one? I will use this one. Greater than. Less than or equal. For example. Okay. Then, for example, your grade is 74. You should change this one. Okay. Or we will go for greater than or equal. Okay. This is the good condition here, so that the message your grade is passed is here. Else, we'll copy this one. Your grade is failed. Yeah. Passing grade 75. We will fix this one. You can fix this one also. 75, but okay. So grade is 75 is greater than or equal to 75. The grade is greater than or equal to 75. Yes or no? Yes. If it is yes, it will come here. If it is no, come here. See, you are your grade is pass. Very simple. Okay. So to all students there, which is new in programming, I hope you understand. Now, what if your grade is 90? Okay, your grade is 90, you will be pass because 90 ay mataas sa 75. So 90 is greater than or equal to 75. True or false? True. Yes or no? Yes. So your grade is pass. Now again, what if your grade is 74? What will be the output? The output will be here. You know why? You will you will make a condition here. If it is true, come here. If it is false, come here. So see here, 74. This is 74 and this is 75, right? 74 is mataas ba or equal sa 75? So no, 74 is greater than or equal to 75? False. So it will come here. So we will see the output. Your grade is failed. Very simple, right? So I hope you understand. Now, what if your grade is 76? What will be the output? The output will be you are pass. Yeah, very simple. So this is what we call if else statement. Now, next is what if. Okay, next is this one. Okay, I will delete this one or I will create new ones. Maybe much better to create new ones so that uh, you will understand again from the beginning. So, fourth program, I will say like that. So we will create here a program that determine your grade if it is like a satisfactory, very satisfactory, or good, very good, or bad, like that. It's like that. So, for example, if 100, excellent, like that, excellent. Okay. If like this, if 95 to 100, this one will be the output. Excellent. Okay. Then 80 to 94, the output will be satisfactory. Very satisfactory. Satisfactory. Yeah. Next is, okay, we will use satisfactory only. Then 75 to uh, 75 to 79. We will do like this. 79, you will become good only. Okay. Then 74 below. Okay. You will be poor. Like that. Very poor or unsatisfactory. Unsatisfactory. Or poor. Very poor only. For example. Next, how to do this one? So we will declare here in grade. Then in, okay, this grade is like that. And then in passing grade equals to 75. No need this one because we are not using this